If you love cut crease eyeshadow looks as much as I do, but you hate doing them because it takes too much effort and too much time, today's video is going to be perfect for you. Today I'm going to walk you guys through a very easy fake cut crease eyeshadow tutorial, and it's going to blow your mind, save you time, and y'all are going to be thanking me later. Let's get started. Alrighty, so this eye is obviously done. It's gorgeous. You don't gotta tell me, but you can if you want to. So I'm gonna quickly walk you guys through a very easy to follow tutorial on how to recreate it on my other eye. Now again, the whole purpose of today's video is to show you how you can have a cut crease look without actually having to cut your crease. And again, the benefit of that is that it saves you product, it saves you effort, and more than anything, it saves you time, because if you're like me, you don't have all the time in the world to do a regular cut crease. Okay, so this eye is already primed with my typical Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas eyeshadow base. And to start this look off, we're gonna go in with our Color Matrix palette from Makeup Geek. I'm actually gonna be using the Power Pigments here at the top, and we're gonna be starting off with the darkest blue right there. Okay, so what you're gonna do is grab a brush like the Morphe M433 brush. You just want a medium-sized blending brush. Now on our outer corner is where we're gonna start placing this first shade. So we're gonna start packing it on and blending it out in circular motions. And we wanna take it down onto the lid and then above our crease. Again, the crease is that fold right there, right where it closes. You see? So we're gonna go slightly above that, but not too high because we're gonna blend this dark blue out in a minute. So we're gonna start getting that product on and getting the pigment built up. So now I'm gonna take my Morphe M456, which is a smaller blending brush, and we're gonna dip into that same dark blue. And now we're gonna start right here, right at the end of where we've placed our first shadow, and we're gonna take it all the way along our inner socket, inner crease area. So just take it and just trace around your eye shape. Now when you're applying this shadow through your crease and down into your inner corner, this is where this whole faux cut crease technique comes into play. So you really want to make sure that you're not going down onto the lid if you can, because that's obviously what we're trying to avoid. Just go all the way down and around into your inner corner and make sure you're still blending as often as possible. Alrighty, I'm happy with the shape and the color. So you see how it kind of goes out and it goes around? That's exactly what we want. We want to go pretty much around the perimeter of our eye shape, and then we're going to move on to our second color. So now I'm going to take a fluffy brush again. This is another M433 brush from Morphe, and we're going to dip into the lighter blue right there. So this is where we're gonna start doing the 50-50 rules, I call it. So tap off any excess product you have, and what you're gonna do is go 50% on the first shade and 50% above. This is gonna give you a nice gradient effect, blend it all together perfectly. It's gonna give us exactly what we're looking for. So again, you're just gonna trace around the shape like we just did, trying to stay, again, 50% on and 50% off. But just in small circular motions, go around the edge of that first dark blue or almost purple shadow. Okay, once you're happy with your blend, now we're gonna go in on our lid. So like I said, we left this lid area open for a reason, because when you're cutting your crease, you're just going in and removing the product off of your lid and then going in with an eyeshadow base or a primer to mattify it and get it all ready for the shadow you're gonna put on top of it. And if you do it this way, you don't have to do that because we already left that area open for the most part and free of product. I did go a little bit lower than I would have liked, but it happens. And with the look we're doing, it doesn't matter. But just be mindful to not go below the crease as much as you possibly can. So now I'm gonna take a flat brush. This is an M224 brush, and we're gonna dip into the purple foiled shimmer right here at the top of my Makeup Geek Color Matrix palette. So now all you're gonna do is you're going to apply your shadow as if you just cut your crease, but we didn't have to. So just start in your inner corner and follow it all the way around. Now, if you have hooded eyes like me, make sure you go a little bit higher so it's above the crease. That way you can kind of still see it when you look straight forward. Alrighty, once you have the lid packed with your shimmer of choice, now you're gonna go back in with another fluffy brush. I'm gonna take another M433 brush, and this time we're actually gonna dip into something a bit darker. We're gonna go into the purple right here. Now we're gonna take this purple on our outer corner again, and this is just gonna blend in that shimmer with the matte shadow we have. So just kind of start patting it on and working it in. Take it over about, I don't know, a fourth of the way or so. Just make sure that there's no harsh line between the shimmer and the matte shadow that we had already placed. And then I just start circling it out, blending it, and then I take it up and around just slightly, just to give some dimension, a little bit more creativity. Oh, is that not gorgeous? It's gorgeous. Okay, so now we're gonna smoke out our lower lash line. I'm gonna take a small brush like this with the lightest blue that we used, which was our second shade, and just run it along the bottom. Then I'm just gonna take another slightly smaller brush and just go through with no product on it, just to diffuse it a little bit. Smoke it out. You know the drill. Okay, so for the waterline, we're going in with a LA Girl Black Shockwave Neon Liner. Just need my mirror. Toss on some Revolution Beauty mascara because we want those gorgeous lashes today. Don't we want them every day? Yeah. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna throw on my lashes, some lipstick, and I'll be right back to show you the final look. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you think? I think it's pretty stunning, if I do say so myself. So look at that cut crease. Nobody would have any idea that you didn't actually remove excess product, add another base on top of it, set it, apply your shimmer or your matte shadow on top. You don't have to do that anymore. Like, this is your sign to not do that anymore because you don't have to. It literally just wastes product and wastes time and wastes effort, and we don't got time for that. Try this technique out. Let me know what you think. I think it's super easy, it's super efficient, and we love efficiency on this channel. So let me know what you think. Do you love it? Do you hate this technique? Have you tried this technique? Are you gonna try this technique? Let me know in the comments. But I think that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this how to fake a cut crease tutorial. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below, smash that subscribe button, and I hope you have the day you deserve.